Before using a brand new cord, unwind completely to ensure it's fully uncoiled without twists and tangles. Starting at the machine end, unravel by dropping the cord as you walk forward, placing the plug down when you reach the end. Hold the cord loosely in the palm of one hand and rest it in the other, guiding it through both hands as you walk to unwind it. For first use, repeat this process at least 3 times, or until the cord is fully untangled. Follow this process for all Pacvac vacuums. When you're finished using your vacuum, switch off the power and unplug the cord from the power point. To safely store the cord after use, always start from the machine end, winding in neat loops by using your index finger and thumb to rotate the cord, removing any twists and tangles. Continue winding into large, neat loops until the end of the cord. For daily maintenance before starting your vacuum, always ensure the cord is fully uncoiled without any twists and check for any visible damage. If your cord looks pinched, cut, frayed, or twisted, do not operate the vacuum and replace the cord immediately. Correctly storing your cord is important to ensure it remains undamaged and usable. We recommend using one of 4 storage options based on your vacuum type. Velo backpack vacuum users can store their cord neatly coiled to the clip attached to the waistband whilst carrying. For storage when the vacuum is not in use, you can clip the neatly coiled cord to the Velcro strip on the harness handle. Thrift backpack vacuums with hooks on the frame can store cords neatly coiled over the top of the frame and the vacuum. Super Pro backpack vacuums with an eco harness can store cords neatly coiled over the top of the vacuum and harness. Glide or Hush canister users can store the cord across the hook located on the canister lid. To ensure the longevity and safety of your Pacvac vacuum cords, please follow our guides to correctly store, use and maintain them, and they'll keep you cleaning for longer.